crime is raising all over America. Just look at the Texas crime, violent crimes. That's like robbery, people getting shot, is raising dramatically. And I was reading on one of the articles that, in Dallas, crime is hitting all-time high of 15 years ago, which is roughly around the last crash, the 2006, 2007, 2008 crash. So simply put, guys, when we have so much money printing, when we have millions of people behind on their house payments, when we have millions of people that don't have jobs, when the cost of living is so expensive, when the cost of renting is so expensive, when the cost of buying is so expensive, real estate, then of course you're going to have crime rates. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to put two together. Now, some of these TV stations are going to blame it on the bug, saying it's the bug, but reality is the economy. Okay, it's the economy, because 15 years ago, when Dallas violent crime rate hit as high as possible, we didn't have the bug. We didn't have the COVID. We had, a declining market, a declining housing market, a declining economy. And we can see the same thing happening right now. When there is a decline in the economy, when people are not making enough money, when the jobs are still paying the same, but the cost of living gets expensive, of course there's going to be crime, dude. It's just simple. That's why I don't like debt. That's why I don't like central bankers, because they create the crime. They create the separation. They create the elites and the non-haves, And a lot of the people that are working class, they think the Fed is on their side. They think the central bankers are on their side. They don't realize that they want them to be in the debt race. They want them to be on that debt hamster wheel, okay? And that's why they do what they do. That's why they print money and dilute our purchasing power, or what I call your life energy. Okay, and when that happens, and when that happens significantly, you see massive amount of people being homeless. You see, in every state now, homelessness is crazy. You see massive amount of crimes. Okay, and so whose fault is that? Well, Big Brother and the central bankers. Simple, dude. They're printing money. They're overspending. They're going to wars. They got, like Tupac says, they got, money for bombs, but they don't got money for the homeless, man. So that's the reality of it. Now, there are a lot of people on TV, more famous. They're going to dilute the water so you can't see straight. But it's simple. It's very simple. When people are in poverty, they commit crimes. That's it. Very simple. And if they can't feed their kids, they're going to shoplift. If they can't pay their rent, they're going to rob another person. And that's what it is, okay? Now, it might not be what we want. That's not what I want. I want them to get jobs. But, that's just the way it is. When poverty is in an area, there's high crime rate. I mean, that's why there's a linear correlation between poverty and crime. All right? I mean, as simple as that. We don't have to blame it on the bug. We need to tell it like the way it is. No fluff. Is central bankers printing money? Is Big Brother's bombing all these countries and putting all the money into military versus infrastructure versus fixing Flint's water versus helping out, by not spending so much money so we can keep our own money, right? So anyways, guys, just want to do a quick short video. Thanks for liking. Thanks for leaving a comment. And remember, you're braver than you believe. You're stronger than you seem. You're smarter than you think. And you're twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, my favorite poet. Don't take no for an answer, gang. Peace.